Welcome to Brain Vision.
16.12. So we're given the function for a wave on a string. X and t are in meters and seconds, respectively. And so what we want to do is find the transverse speed u for any point on the string when its displacement is positive 12 centimeters. And so this is a bit tricky because we have a particular displacement we want, but we have no information about x or t. So we somehow have to get rid of those so that all we're left with is a y, and then we can, put in our numbers and, get the result we're looking for. But first things first, we know that the transverse speed is just the time derivative of the displacement. And so this is 225 pi centimeters times the sine of pi x, or 225 centimeters per second, I should say, times pi x minus 15 pi t. Now, if we note that this is, 15 times 15, then what we can do is we can square u and add it to the square of 15 pi times y. So what we end up with is 255 pi squared. This is why we chose 15 pi, so that they both have the same factor out front. Times sine squared of pi x minus 15 pi t. Pi x minus 15 pi t plus the cosine squared of pi x minus 15 pi t. If I could remember how to write a 5, there we go. And we know that sine squared of something plus cosine squared of that same thing is just 1. So if we then just solve this for u, so we have u squared plus 15 pi y quantity squared equals 255 pi squared, then u is just going to be the square root of 200 and this should be 225. Pi squared minus 15 pi y squared Now this simplifies to 15 pi, because we can take our 15 pi squared out. And so we're just left with an extra 15 squared minus y squared. And so you see we've come up with an expression for u that doesn't involve x or t. So we just put in 12 centimeters here. Then u is going to be plus or minus 135 pi. We don't care about the sign because we just want the speed. And so this is 4.24 meters per second. This is in centimeters per second because we have our centimeters out here, and then the seconds come from the angular frequency. So you have to be careful about getting the orders of magnitude of all the units right, but if you need to, you can just carry them on through this entire process here, and it'll just be a bit more writing you'll have to do. But then you'll be sure that you got the right, you have the units right. So it's worth doing.